Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. I'm going to take you with me on a drive-through tour. We're bashing KFC with their new Christmas burger. So I'm really excited about that. I've seen it all over social media. But we have a video sponsor today. John Star Energy Brokers. Over there somewhere, there's their logo. They have now gone into domestic energy comparison. I'm going to put a link in the comments below. You can go and check them out. All you have to do is put your postcode in and they will do the rest. Try and negotiate the SVR around and drive through the chuffing urban wheels. Right, there we go. Go and check them out. John Star, thank you very much. KFC, let's dance. So, you have got the Christmas special. Can you see that, Jess? The Christmas special gravy burger box meal. Now, I'm sure we've all seen this on social media. People pouring the gravy out on top of the burger. It's romantic. Let's come with us and we're going to do it ourselves. Well, they've got loads of Christmas stuff out.
A double bucket.
Oh my God, a double bucket. We love KFC's, but let's be brutally honest as well, by the way. We're in the Huntingdon branch of KFC, which is one of those ones where you wipe your feet on the way out. It's not a great area. We've been here before. This KFC is notoriously poor. This drive-through is absolutely... I want to curb the wheels here for sure.
You won't.
Here we go. Look, it says for the love of chicken. I'll take that on. Try not to. Hello?
Hi, can I take your order?
Hello, how are you? Hello?
Hello, can I take your order?
Yeah, of course. Can I have the new Christmas box meal, please?
Yeah, and what drink?
Pepsi Max, please.
Yeah, we don't go large.
Yeah. No, yes, go on then. I'm watching my weight, so.
Anything else?
No thanks.
So, one piece.
Thank you.
Very welcome.
I feel like I took you on the ordering experience with me then. So I'm not gonna, oh my God, this is so scary. I'm not gonna review the entire box meal, just the burger. It's festive. We've did McDonald's.
What's in it?
I'm not sure. I'll ask the guy. Oh my God.
Might see a grown man cry here.
Jess will tell you guys, I literally will look at a curb and I'll end up driving up it, scratching my alloys. So I did a review here of KFC and it didn't go great. This is probably the first time we've been back, so if we get a drink thrown over us, any abuse. Hello, I have to pay.
Did you say something before you drove round, sorry?
No, I'm not sure. How's it going, all right?
Yeah, good, thanks.
What is in the Christmas burger?
Sorry, just bear with me one moment. So in the Christmas burger, it comes with a gravy naze sauce.
Gravy-naze.
Yeah, gravy naze. It looks like this.
Oh,
And then it comes with fillet, cheese,
how's it
and a
going?
hash brown with a circle in it. You get a side of gravy, and what you do is open up the burger
Yep.
and pour the gravy into the circle of the hash brown.
So you're supposed to pour the gravy into the circle of hash brown.
Yes.
So it creates like a little bowl of gravy in the burger.
Yeah.
Cool.
There's a drink for you.
Sounds like a bit of inventiveness from the team at KFC.
And also you get gravy naze dip as well.
All right, cool.
Do you want any other sauces?
I think they've twigged on that we're doing a review.
Any other sauces?
No thanks.
There you go, mate. Enjoy, yeah?
Is this everything in here, yeah?
Yeah, everything there for you, mate.
Right, let's go. Thanks very much. So I have the goods. What's the time at, Jess?
4 minutes.
4, that's not too bad. So let's pull over, Jess, we'll jump out. We'll
Just do it in the car.
nah. I want to get some daylight on this burger pouring action. Is that right, Jess?
Size of that seagull.
So, great news. The alloys survived. So here we go, guys. KFC, KFC branding, Christmas branding. So I've seen pretty much everyone on social media doing this with this burger. And I want to kind of state now that I haven't had the best relationship with KFC. You know, it was... What's going on with this? That's absolute savage.
Sorry, I got distracted.
That is modern. Cue the David Attenborough voice.
He got a chip out.
Did he get a chip out?
He knows what he's doing.
Okay, Jess, here we go. This is the Christmas. Look at the Colonel in that picture. God, doesn't he look happy? Now, I've got a love-hate relationship with KFC. I absolutely love fried chicken. You guys know this. Back in the day, KFC used to be the OG. Get a big old bucket of chicken with your family, sit round eating your food with all the great sides. It used to be the one. Here we go. So, I think in recent years, it's slipped. I haven't had any yet. Say again. Okay. Now, does he work it?
I don't know.
Right, cool. Let's cut to the chase. Let's get on with the. So this is the burger. This is the new Christmas burger.
Oh.
Okay, so that's like the little indentation where you're supposed to pour the gravy. We've even done a gravy look
With a pourer?
with a spout. Is that a spout? No, it's not a spout, is it? Here we go. So let's do some food porn.
Oh, you're going to get it all over you.
Am I? Let's keep it in there.
Leave it in the box.
All right. Here we go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Oh man, look at this.
Looks all right.
So at the bottom, it looks. I haven't had any yet. Oi!
Yeah.
Do you work here?
Yeah, I'm a manager.
Oh, good.
I'm waiting for him to try the burgers.
Okay. So you're gonna stand there? What to do?
Yeah?
So what do you think of this burger?
Amazing, man.
It's amazing, yeah.
So you're the gravy burger, yeah?
Yeah.
No problem. I'm waiting for you to try.
All right. He's gonna wait for me to try. Here we go.
Finger crossed.
Right. Do you remember when I came here last time?
Yeah.
No disrespect, but it was a shambles. The chicken was really bad. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. That is really tasty.
There you go.
Yeah, it's good. Job done, mate.
Thank you, man. Really appreciate that.
Let me talk. Thanks.
No problem. Take it easy, yeah?
Yeah. Let me explain why. The gravy-naise, this stuff, they've got that at the bottom of the bun. The chicken's tasty. It's actually cooked really well. It's moist, it's not dry and overcooked like it was before. It's chunky. I've got the texture of the hash brown on top. There's a bit of theatre, bit of drama, pouring your gravy on. Some of us freaks out there used to do that anyway. The gravy-naise underneath is quite frankly delicious. I had really, really low hopes about this burger today. KFC, you're back in the game. Congratulations. That is fun, inventive, and do you know what? Pretty damn tasty. Yeah, that's legit.
Is it the same gravy as normal, or is it like a festive gravy?
That gravy's the same,
Oh,
but at the bottom they've got a gravy-naise. A gravy mayo that's actually really come through. It's like a thick, rich mayo flavour at the bottom. Just good, Jess. The hash brown gives it wicked texture on top too. I was thinking about this burger online. I thought, wouldn't it be cool if they put some red currant jelly in there too, with some quick little sprinkle of crispy onions for a bit of texture and a bit of that Christmas flavour. I actually think they've nailed it, to be fair. It's really simple and edible. If you're watching this now, I strongly suggest you go and try one of these and put me to the test. I'm dripping gravy-naise all over the floor. Pleasantly surprised. Last time I came here, I said it to his face, it was atrocious. I had a piece of chicken with no chicken on it. It was like a rib cage. Horrendous. Standards have slipped. This, bravo to the marketing team, whoever come up with this. I like it. Isn't that nice? But a little fun, festive, Merry Christmas KFC. The Colonel, look how happy he is. Look, get him on there. He is f***ing well chuffed. Excuse my language, might have to bleep that out, Jess. We got abused for it yesterday. Wicked, guys. Get in the comments and let me know if you've had one, number one, if you're going to have one, and what you think. I'd love to know what you think of this burger from KFC and what you think of KFC as a whole. Interesting topic of debate. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's another review done and dusted. Where do you want to see us go next? We are back and back with a bang. I can't wait to show you what we've got planned next. I love you all, and that was a review. No, it's not, because I didn't even give you a score. What a donut. I want to give this let's be fast with this. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Bang on. Ain't no Chicken George, ain't none of the other top places. However, I think they've nailed this. If you need a fast food chicken snack on the run, you want a drive-through, give it a go. There you go, everyone.